Good evening, students. Today I discuss about the concept of physics, vector topic. Vector topic. This topic covered by one question. Get it if 4 marks. J mains or NEET. So in this vector, today I discuss about this concept is in subtopics: vectors, scalars, null vector, unit vector, position vector, parallelogram of vector, triangle of vector, scalar product, vector product. Okay, so discuss about one by one. Here first of all, vector. Vector means vector. What is vector? First of all physical quantities can be divided by two types: vector quantities, scalar quantities. So all physical quantities can be divided by physical quantities can be divided by vectors or scalars. Which physical quantity having both magnitude and direction? Which physical quantity having, that physical quantity? Physical quantity, for example, distance, displacement, velocity, and so on. Number of physical quantities. Here, all physical quantities can be divided by two types, vectors and scalars. Which physical quantity having both magnitude and direction, that is called vector quantities. Vector quantities. అంటే ఏ ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీకి అయితే డైరెక్షన్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ అయి ఉంటుందో అటువంటి ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీని మనం వెక్టార్స్ అంటాం. సో విచ్ ఫిజికల్ క్వాంటిటీ హ్యావింగ్ బోత్ మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ అండ్ డైరెక్షన్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వెక్టార్ క్వాంటిటీ. సో వెక్టార్ క్వాంటిటీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ displacement. It is denoted by S. So displacement is a vector. You know the displacement means the shortest distance between initial and final position. That is called displacement. Second one, velocity. What you know that velocity is denoted by V equal to dou S by dou T. The rate of change of displacement, that is called velocity. Velocity is also vector. Acceleration A equal to dou V by dou T. The rate of change of velocity, that is called, it is also vector quantity, acceleration. So the number of physical quantities and so on. Force, that force, kinetic energy, potential energy, number of వస్తాయి. Next one, potential energy, kinetic energy. Scalar తీసుకుంటే scalars, vectors and scalars. Scalars means which physical quantity having only magnitude, there is no direction. This type of physical quantity have only magnitude, there is no direction, that is called scalar quantities. Scalar quantities example, area, mass, volume and so on. It is. So which physical quantity having only magnitude, there is no particular direction, there is no direction of the physical quantities, that is called scalar quantities. So all physical quantities can be divided by two types, vectors and scalars. So vector topic is very most important concept. This topic is included to all concepts of physics. So basically it is very important. Can understand this vector topic, so easy to understanding remaining topics. So all physical quantities can be divided by two types, vectors and scalars. So what is vector? Which physical quantity having both magnitude and direction, that is called vector quantity. What is scalar? Which physical quantity having only magnitude, there is no directions. That is called scalars. Next one, null vector. Null vector. Null vector. This type of physical quantities. This type of physical quantities, the magnitude of physical quantities is 0. So the magnitude of physical quantity is 0. The magnitude of physical quantity is 0. That is called null vector. It is denoted by O bar. So O means 0 magnitude, but direction is occur. Example of null vector. Example of null vector. A body is thrown vertically upward direction at the maximum height. Velocity is 0, but magnitude is 0, but acceleration A equal to G equal to, it is acted downward direction, but at the maximum height velocity is 0, but directions occur in downward direction. So this is the example of null vector. But here initial position, here final position. Initially magnitude is not equal to 0, but at the maximum height magnitude is 0. That I means magnitude 0 means at this maximum height position, the weight of the body, the mass of the body, W equal to 0. So 0 mass, 0 weight. Okay. Next one, unit vector. Unit vector. Unit vector means these physical quantity have 1 unit of magnitude. 1 unit of magnitude, that is called unit vector. Okay, this type of physical quantity having magnitude of physical quantity is 1 unit. And the magnitude of physical quantity is 1 unit. 1 unit, that is called unit vector. So unit vector, unit position vector r cap equal to r bar by delta r bar. R cap equal to r bar by delta r bar. Here delta r bar. Okay. Do you understand very clearly or very slowly? Next one, position vector. What is the position vector? Position vector means the position of the particle in coordinate system with respect to origin. The position of the particle in coordinate system with respect to origin, it is represented by position vector r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. So this is the three-dimensional position vector. The coordinate system, here let us take one of the coordinate system. Here x, y, z. Take this one of the point P from origin 0, 0, 0. So the position vector r bar, it is represented to x coordinate, y coordinate, and z coordinate system. Okay, here x comma y comma z. Here x means xi bar, y means yj bar, z means zk bar. So for example, do you understanding? Very simple explanation. Let us take here one of the cube, coordinate system x, y, z. So x, y, z. Take this one of the point P. Here, take this one of the point P. P is a point. The number system is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the origin 0, 0, 0. So origin to at a point P, we have to move three directions: x direction, y direction, z direction. And the position vector is r bar equal to xi bar, x means 1 to 2, plus yj bar means 2 to 3, 2 to 5, plus zk bar, z means 5 to 6. So this is the one way. Second way, r bar equal to here yj bar what చెప్పొచ్చు ఇలా చెప్పొచ్చు yj bar అంటే 1 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to p. So 1 to 8, 7 to 8, zk bar 8 to 7 plus parallelly. So this is the parallel, this is also parallel, is xi bar 7 to 6. So different directions, both are all directions. So reach the point of P. So origin to reach the point of P in the directions 1, 2, 5, 6, one direction, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 8, 7, 6, 1, 8, 5, 6. You have different directions, 1, 4, 3, 6, 1, 4, 7, 6. So any also. So it is also position vector. Position vector is r bar. What is the position vector? The position vector as represented to coordinate system with respect to origin. So the position vector is represented by r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. X coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinates. Here det r bar. So det r bar equal to det r bar. Det r bar equal to root of det r bar equal to root of x square, y square, z square. Unit position vector r cap equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar by root of x square plus y square plus z square. So this is the unit position vector. So here, okay, do you understand? Next one. So what is the position vector? Position vector is very simple system. So x r bar equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. In coordinate system lo x, y, z అనేది నెగటివ్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయండి. x dash, y dash, z dash కూడా ఉంటాయి. అంటే మనకి టూ డైమెన్షనల్ పొజిషన్ వెక్టర్ తీసుకుంటే x పాజిటివ్, x dash is నెగటివ్, y పాజిటివ్, y dash is నెగటివ్. అలా త్రీ డైమెన్షన్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు z కూడా అలా ఉంటుంది. అంటే మనకి డైరెక్షన్స్ తీసుకున్న వెక్టర్లో సమ్ టైమ్స్ మైనస్లు కూడా వస్తుంటాయి. మైనస్ ఎందుకు వస్తాయంటే అది ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్లో ఉందని మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేసుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, parallelogram of vector. Parallelogram of vector. Parallelogram of vector means next topic, parallelogram of vector. Parallelogram of vector. Parallelogram of vector. Let us take one of the parallelogram. O A B C. Here OA B C. OA is side. OA it is represented to one of the vector is P bar. OB it is represented to one of the vector is Q bar. If two vectors P bar and Q bar acted adjacent sides of a parallelogram, passing through the one point is O. Passing through the one point is O. So P bar and Q bar is two vectors acted adjacent sides of a parallelogram passing through the one point. Passing through the one point. Your angle of two vectors is theta. Angle of result is alpha. Your R bar equal to P bar plus Q bar. So what is the parallelogram of vector statement? Very clearly and listen carefully. If two vectors acted adjacent sides of a parallelogram passing through the one point, the resultant vector is represented to passing through the same point of diagonal of a parallelogram, both magnitude and equal magnitude and direction. That is called parallelogram of vector. Very simple. When two vectors acted adjacent sides of a parallelogram passing through the one point O, the resultant vector is represented to passing through the same point of diagonal of a parallelogram, both magnitude and direction, the equal magnitude and direction. That is called parallelogram of vector. So the parallelogram vector is proof. Let us take the OA line is extended to one of the imaginary line draw from point D. It is a right angle triangle ACD. The angle theta, it is also angle theta. Okay. Here OA equal to P, OB equal to Q. It is opposite sides. BC equal this one equal this one is equal, because parallelogram opposite sides are equal. It is also AC. But OC equal to is R bar. Okay. Next one. Here OD equal to, you can write this OD, you can write this OA plus AD. OA plus AD. So you have to apply the triangle Pythagoras theorem. We have to apply the triangle ACD. We have to apply the sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite side. So your angle is opposite side. The adjacent side hypotenuse. So AC bar CD. But you know that AC equal to CD sin theta. Equation number 1. Now apply the triangle ACD cos theta. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side means AD. Hypotenuse is AC. AC. Our side is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. So how to write this? AD equal to AC. Sorry, how to write this here? AC equal to opposite side CD by hypotenuse AC. So CD equal to AC sin theta. CD equal to AC sin theta. Here cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AD. Hypotenuse is AC. So AD equal to AC cos theta. AD equal to AC cos theta. Equation number 2. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Here h square equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. H square means s square equal to AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square. Side 1. This is the side 1. This is the side 2. So we have to apply triangle OCD. Here triangle OCD, very big triangle. Triangle OCD, once again apply Pythagoras theorem. H square equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Here triangle is OCD, so this is the H. H means OC square. Side 1 is OD square. So this is the D, OD plus side 2 CD square. So OC square, you have to write this OD. OD can write this OA plus AD whole square CD square. CD can write this CD. CD means CD. You have to write this CD. CD square means AC square minus AD square equal to CD square. So write this. CD square means CD square equal to AC square minus AD square. Equation number 3 is substituting this one. AC square minus AD square. So OC square equal to A plus 1 square formula, OA square AD square plus 2OA AD plus AC square minus AD square. So here AD square cancel. So remaining terms OC square equal to OA square, this part, plus AC square plus 2OA AD. So OC square equal to OA square plus AC square plus 2OA. We have to write this value. AD value AC cos theta. AC cos theta. Substituting the values. Here OC means R, OA means P, OB means Q. So R bar square, OA means P bar square, AC Q bar square, 2 P bar Q bar cos theta. So this is the, so finally is R equal to root of R square plus root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. 2PQ cos theta. So this is the resultant magnitude. So resultant angle So write this. Triangle OCD, apply the tan alpha. Triangle OCD, apply the tan alpha. Tan means opposite side by adjacent side. CD by OD. So tan alpha equal to CD by OD. OD can write this OA plus AD. So tan alpha equal to CD value. CD means AC sin theta by OA plus AD cos theta. AD value AC cos theta. AD value, that AD value AC cos theta. So finally Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. So alpha equal to tan inverse Q sin theta by P plus Q cos theta. P plus Q cos theta. So this is the very most important 4 marks question IP level. But it is also very most concept of J mains and NEET. So E resultant magnitude and resultant angle basis number of bits అనేటువంటివి solve చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. So here using this here parallelogram law, here this is the largest diagonal. Largest diagonal means vector addition చేస్తున్నామండి. So smallest diagonal vector subtraction. So here vector addition, totally resultant magnitude R equal to P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. So vector subtraction same, R equal to root of P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos theta. Here in case here, do you understand? Here any doubt? I hope understanding to you. So this is the 4 marks question, but IP level. There is no use of J means. You will be using to J means magnitude and angle. Can write this parallelogram. Once again is parallelogram. Here, so this is the coordinate system. This one is parallelogram. Largest diagonal vector P bar Q bar R bar equal to P bar plus Q bar. So vector addition అన్నామండి. ఎడిషన్లో ఎలా వచ్చింది? సో ఎడిషన్ మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది? యాక్చువల్గా ఇక్కడ R equal to root of P square Q square 2PQ cos theta. 2PQ cos theta. So R is the maximum. So R is the maximum equal to 2P cos theta by 2. 2P cos theta by 2. Here theta value 0 degrees. So R maximum equal to 2P. Theta value 90 degrees. The theta value 90, theta by 2, cos theta by 2, 1 by root 2. So different values. Theta value 0, theta value 30 degrees, theta value 60 degrees, theta value 90 degrees, theta value 120 degrees. You have to apply this resultant magnitude. But vector subtraction means so this is the smallest diagonal. It is also R equal to P bar minus Q bar. So the resultant magnitude is R minimum equal to Your resultant magnitude is R minimum equal to root of P square plus Q square minus 2PQ cos theta. Here R minimum equal to 2P sin theta by 2. Other diagonal, largest diagonal, here shortest diagonal. R minimum equal to 2P sin theta by 2. Here theta value is 0 degrees. So theta value 0 degrees. R minimum equal to sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. R minimum equal to 0. theta value 0 degrees, sin 0 is 0, 0 1. So R minimum is 0. So theta value is 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 100 degrees. We have to get it R minimum values. So finally R maximum plus R minimum by R maximum, my difference R minimum equivalent to P by Q. P by Q. Here in case P and Q different vectors, but resultant magnitude, the resultant magnitude of vector near the largest vector, So R maximum plus R minimum by R maximum minus R minimum equal to P by Q. So here different values you have to find this. R equal to theta equal to 0 అయితే R maximum ఉంటుంది. theta equal to 30 అయినప్పుడు 60, 90, 120 అలా డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్ మనకి అన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఇక్కడ మెయిన్స్ పరంగా నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బిట్స్ అనేటువంటివి వస్తాయండి. ఏ బిట్స్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పాలంటే దీనికి మీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు పి ఈక్వల్ టు క్యూ అంటే resultant of vector equivalent to P equal to Q. What angle? At theta equal to 120 degrees, both are equal. How to solve this? Here this value. Okay. Next one. Triangle of vector. What is the triangle of vector? Triangle of vector means so do you understand?